Here, this is another model. This is another model. Everybody on the board now here. Hot filter coffee. How many words? Hot filter coffee. 3 words are coded like this. Tomobo. Tomobo. Hot filter coffee is Tomobo. Very hot day. Very hot day is Docomo. And one more English statement. Day and night. Day and night. Sodoko. Day and night is Sodoko. Then what is the code word for this? Very. What is the code word for this very? Students, we have not seen this kind of question earlier. Yes, we have not seen this kind of question earlier. Just try to remember here. Here, how many English words are there? 3. This side. How many coding words are there? 3. That side. How many words are here? 3. How many words are here? 3. 3, 3. So 3, 3. So do you think the equal content is there? Yes. Whenever the left hand side content is equal to right hand side content, whenever the left hand side content is equal to right hand side content, then we are calling it as comparison model. Third model we have learned. Are you understanding, everybody? What do you call it as? Third model. Whenever left hand side is equal to right hand side, then we call it as comparison model. Are you understanding, everybody? Let's try to compare, everybody. Now, watch out, everybody. What I mean to say here. Now, here. Let me compare here. How to compare? Have a look here. I'm just telling you, I'm comparing the first and second. In the first and second, I'm finding hot is a common word. Nothing is common. I'm finding hot on the left hand side. Here, I'm calling it as more. So my brain should compare the statements here and statements there, and we call the common thing is hot. So hot is more. That's it. So we can call hot is more. Are you understanding, everybody? Now, first and second I have compared. In the comparison, I'll compare the second statement and third statement. Okay. When I compare the second statement and third statement, I'm finding the common word as day. Common word is day. So same fashion, I'll compare these two. The common word is do. The common word is do. So what do we call it as? Hot is coded as this thing, and this is coded as do. This is coded as do. So you all know that. Clear? Now it's very clear. Hot is more. Day is do. And very should be 100% co. Are you understanding, everybody? Clear? So this kind of model is said to be comparison model. We are supposed to compare the left hand side and we are supposed to compare the right hand side. In this way, you are supposed to go. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Let me just try to ask you something from the same thing, okay? Let me just try to ask you, what is the code word for coffee? Please tell me, students, what is the code word for not coffee? Filter. Tell me what is filter stands for in this question. Yeah. It is not called as bow. It is said to be cannot be determined. Why we can't say? Because there is no other common. Are you understanding? Do you think that there is something common here? No. Sir, if there is something common, I can say what is this filter, but we can't say filter. Are you understanding, everybody? For example, I'm extending this. Everybody on the board now. Here, he told you tasty night coffee. Look, I'm extending this question. Tasty night coffee is coded as boyoso. Boyoso. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes. Clear? Now, Sunny, just try to listen once again, everybody. So, I have compared the first statement and second statement. When you compare the first statement and second statement, what did you understand, Sunny? We have understood hot is a common word. So, more is a common thing. Are you understanding, Sunny? Same fashion here, day is a common thing here. Do is a common thing. So I will compare the other things. Now let's see here. I'll compare something else common. What shall I compare here? Have a look here. I'm comparing here a night. Night is a common, night is a common. When we compare night, here also night. So what is night coded as? So. Are you understanding, students, everybody? So night is coded as so. Anything else is common? Let's try to check it out. What else is common? So the other thing what we are finding common here is coffee. Coffee in the first. coffee in the last. Same fashion, bow in the first, bow in the last. So like this we are supposed to compare. Coffee is nothing but bow. Are you understanding, everybody? So now let's try to move forward here. Now you can say, what is this filter? Now look at here. Coffee became bow, hot became mo, filter became to. If I ask you where is ko? And what is this night called as? Night called as ko. Same fashion, what is this tasty called as? Tasty called as yo. So we have to compare the left hand side and we are supposed to compare right hand side. है ना रंग बिरंगा question? Are you understanding, everybody? So this is the way we are supposed to do it. इसे क्या कहते हैं? What do we call it as? We call it as comparison model, where we are supposed to compare the left hand side and right hand sides. Students, let's not waste the time. I want you to do one question right now. Make it faster, everybody. I want only one word, can. What is this word? Can could be coded as. Make it faster. Good, very good. You got. What's the answer here? Can stands for nothing but one. In these two, what did I found? I found here min. So min is nothing but common here, animal. So min is animal. Understood, students? What is min? Animal. So let's try to go across and just try to go the next one. Okay. Second and third I'm comparing. Pit. I'm comparing pit. So here we got pet. Definitely we got pet. So what do you mean by pit is pet? Min is animal. Then what is this can stands for? Can stands for one. That's it. Understood, Josna? Okay. Now that's good. Okay. Now let's try to move forward, everybody. Here, this is also the similar kind of model. Everybody on the board now. We don't have a time. Listen, everybody. Here. Now, park have got 4 letters. This number have got 4 digits. Car have got 3 letters. And this have got 3 digits. Tap has got 3 letters. This has got 3 digits. Are you understanding, everybody? Now you have to understand how many people are on the left hand side? 4. How many people on the right hand side? 4. How many people on the left hand side? 3. Car have got 3. And here how much? 3. So in the left hand side content is balancing with the right hand side content. So we have to say only one thing, that this is comparison model. Same comparison. Pit, pet, animal, momo, toto, bobo, same kind of comparison. This kind of questions will also be given to you, students. Now, let's try to move forward. What to do in this question, everybody? Now, here, you are supposed to compare left-hand sides. Listen, everybody. On the left-hand side, you are supposed to compare letters. And on the right-hand side, you are supposed to compare letters. Are you understanding, everybody? Now, here, look at this question and tell me, I'm comparing the first and second. Everybody on the board now, I'm comparing the first one and second one. You tell me what is the common here and you tell me what is the common you're finding here. Come on. No, Sunny. Listen, Sunny. Everybody listen now. You got A as 2 and R as 3 when you are looking at this and telling. Think that this is not there. We have got A here, we have got R here. We have got 2 here, we have got 3 here. You tell me, common is A, R. Then who is 2, who is 3? A is 2, R is 3. Mayank Tiwari, you are telling me, keeping this one in brain. Keeping this one is brain, you are telling. But without this, I am telling you, can you able to answer? No. Answer is not important, students. How you have to do, I am teaching you here. Some people are getting the answers. I am happy for that. But we shall never ever do. We should never ever do the questions. Listen, everybody. We should never ever do the questions where two people are common. Don't start it from there. You yourself will be in the trouble. Yaad rakhna. You will be in the trouble when you have this kind of things. Are you understanding, everybody? Say yes or no. Chaliye. Now, how to do this question? Listen, everybody. How to do this question? So, I will not compare these two because 2 people are common. I'm confused. Following everybody? Now, I will not compare. I will not compare with this and this. Why? AP. Two people are common. You cannot say who is what. It can be 1, 2 or it can be 1, 2. Are you understanding, students? I mean to say, never ever starts this kind of questions whenever you have two people common. Compare from there, only one fellow is common. That will save a lot of time. I'm telling you the trick of doing. Answer is not at all important, students. Answer to anybody can get it. I'm happy with your answers. Okay. Now, what shall I compare now? I have to compare this one and this one. So, who is common on all these things? A is common. A is common. Here, 2 is common. 2 is common. Understood what I'm doing? I'm comparing. I'm starting the question from there where only one fellow is common. This is what my motive. Are you understanding? So we can call A as 1, A as 1. Sorry, A as 2, I mean to say A as 2. So we have understood that A value is 2, A value is 2, A value is 2. So here in track, A value is 2. Are you understanding, everybody? Same fashion. Okay, same fashion. I'm just trying to take you to another one. Okay, that is R. R common in the first and second. 3 common in the first and second. So we can understand that R value is what? 3. R value is 3. R value is 3. R value is 3. Now, by default, students, by default, okay, C. What is this C stands for? C stands for 8. Because A became 2, R became 3, definitely C will be left 8. Now, I will compare the first and last. What do I compare? I'll compare the first and last, in which I'll tell you one thing. What is that? What is that? What is that? Ye leke chalte hain, okay? P. First and last PP is common. Here also, 1. So we can call P as what? 1. P as what? 1. P as what? 1. P as what? 1. But P is not required here. Now, K. What is K stands for? The one which is left is 7. K stands for 7. Rakesh Naidu, as you got the correct answer, T is 9. Are you understanding, everybody? Okay, clear? So this is the way we are supposed to do this question. What model? Comparison model. What model we call it as? Comparison. So quickly, I just request you, okay, what is this? Rahul, 13287? No. Track. Are you understanding? Track. Get all the letters and write down. That's it. Okay, clear? Rahul, your answer is wrong, but let's sort of move forward now. Okay, I just want you to see this question. Okay, I just want you to see this question. Everybody on the board now, here. Total, who is appeared 2 times? T is appeared 2 times. So whenever 2 people are appearing 2 times, by default, you have to comparison. Who are 2 times? 5. So T is 5. That's it. Fix in your brain. 2 times T, 2 times 5. T is 5. Obviously. Are you understanding? Clear? Chalo, get laptop, everybody. Do it faster. I'll give you 1 minute of time. Get laptop. Correct answer. Now, let's try to move forward, everybody. Now, once again, I have to give a time to you. 2 minutes. Okay, make it faster. 2 minutes, 1 question. 2 minutes, 1 question. Chaliye. Answer is what? 1, 5, 6, 7, 2. Answer is 1, 5, 6. Sunny, you're right. You want me to move faster? Everybody on the board now. Okay, how many models we have learned? You all tell me. We have learned 3 models. When the left hand side content is same, then we call it as arrangement. Content is same, we call it arrangement. When content is not same, we call it as shifting. Okay. Now, when comparison is there, left hand side, right hand side is said to be comparison. Okay. Now, let's try to move forward. Now, let's try to move forward. In a certain coding language, listen, everybody. In a certain coding language, the word team is coded as 1,31,520. The word car is coded as 1,813. How is a code word for shape? How is a code word for shape? Are you understanding, everybody? This kind of questions will also be given to you. Okay, so what is this question? What is this question? Everybody on the board now here. How many letters are given to you? Here you have been given 4 letters. And how many digits are given to you? Not 4 digits, 6 digits. Carefully look at that. 4 letters, but digits are 6. Here, how many letters? 3 letters. But digits are what? 4. Do you think left-hand side content is equal to right-hand side content? No. When the left-hand side content is equal to right-hand side content on the screen now, when left-hand side content 5 letters, 5 digits, 5 letters, 5 digits, 4 letters, 4 digits, then we are calling it as comparison model. But do you think here you have a left hand side, right hand side is equal? No. Then we call it as ranking model. When the left hand side and right hand side both are not same, your brain should talk to you and tell you that this is not comparison model. Then what is this model? Have a look, everybody. This is said to be ranking model. This is said to be ranking model. What is this ranking model? Everybody try to listen now. What is T? The rank of T is 20. Look. You should know the ranks very clearly. What is this E? The rank of E is 5. From backside, I'm writing the ranks. What is this A? A seems to be 1. A seems to be 1. What is this M? M seems to be 13. M seems to be 13. Following, everybody? Same fashion, I know car. C means 3. A is 1. R is 18. So these kind of questions will also be given to you. And they were given. Students. Okay, now what is this shape? S is 19 from backside, 19. H is 8. A is 1. P is 16. And E is 5. Are you understanding, everybody? So this kind of model, we call it as what? A ranking model. What do we call it as? A ranking model. I think you all have got the correct answer here. Clear? Now let's try to move forward. In case he has given you one small question, listen, what is the answer for the given question, everybody? In a certain coding language, the word team is coded as 39. The word car is coded as 22. What is the code word for shape? For example, suppose this kind of question is given to you, what to do now? Listen, everybody. You know that. What's the logic here? 4 letters. But here you have 2 letters, 2 digits. 3, here 2. This is nothing comparison. This seems to be ranking. Following, everybody? Now, how to do it? Just try to have a look, everybody. T is 20, E is 5, A is 1, M is 13. So when I add all the letters, I am getting the number as 39. 3, 1, 18. Add all the ranks we have learned in the previous class yesterday. That is ranks you should remember. That should be 22. Now here 19, 8, 1, 16, 5. When you add all these things, it seems to be what? 49. Are you understanding, everybody? Rakesh Naidu, you are right. Sum of all the numbers, the answer should be Manikanta, 49. That's good. Aniket, 49. Are you understanding, everybody? So this kind of questions will also be given to you in coding decoding, where they will give you one word and just try to give it. Samajh mein aa raha hai, everybody? That's good. Okay. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. People might also change this one. It's not a big deal. People will also try to change this one. Everybody. Here he have given 93. Here given 22. What is this then? It's not a big deal. What's the sum of the ranks? 39. Reverse? 93. Sum of all is 22. 22 reverse is 22 only. And shape is what? 49. What's it write down here? 94. Are you understanding? People can do any kind of logic. They can give you any kind of logic. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Now, let's sort of move forward, everybody. And one more question I'm going to give you. Okay. Now, what is this question? Have a look here. In a certain coding language, the word cat is coded as 8. The word hair is coded as 8. What is the code word for horse? What is the code word for horse? Chaliye. This question was given in Infosys, and one government company also has given this. You all know that. What is cat? 3, 1, 20. When you add all these things, the sum is 24. What's the sum? 24. Remember, students, the sum is 24. 24 have to be divided by 1 letter, 2 letter, 3 letters. You divide 24 by 3, that becomes 8. This is a logic the people has given in Infosys earlier. Following, everybody? Not just sum. Sum divided by the number of characters, number of letters in the given word. Following everybody? Now, here, 8, 1, 18, 5. Don't forget to write the ranks. Ranks is what? 32. 30 should divide by 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters. So it has to be 8. Once again, you have got 8. Following everybody, students, thus you got the correct answer. What is this H? 8, 15, 18, 19, 5. When you add all these things, the sum is what? 65. 65 have to divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you divide by 5, it has to be what? 13. Are you understanding, everybody? So this kind of questions you will be getting in coding decoding, where you are supposed to go with the hand to hand on ranking also. Yes, you should know the ranks better. Following everybody? Chaliye students. Okay, now I hope you have understood this, and I want you to do one question, not one question, I'm sorry. Yeah, 3 questions. One a general question, and one a GATE question, and one a Infosys question. Please, I want to do these 3 questions. अभी time शुरू करूं क्या? चलिए, कोई बात नहीं. Your time starts now. Anyways, students, let me just try to explain these questions to you. Okay, here. Here, the word grass. This is 7. This is 18. This is 1, this is 19, this is 19, S is 19. Add all the ranks, you get 64. Following same fashion, square you all add the ranks, you'll get 81. Here, this is 16, 16 plus 9, that is 25, 3, 20, 21, 18, 5. You are supposed to add all the ranks. Let me just try to add all the ranks, everybody, here. This seems to be 25, 28, 48, 48 plus 1, 49. Then that is 69, 69 plus 18. Yes. 69 plus 18. That's good. It's 87. 87 plus 5 is 92. Answer is 92. Following students, everybody. Now, here, this was given to the GATE examination. E is 5. And he has given 10. Means how much? 5 2s are 10. J is 10. 10 2s are 20. O is 15. 15 2s are 30. T is 20. 20 2s are 40. This is the logic we have supposed to use. Are you understanding, everybody? Then pest. What is this pest? It's very simple. So P is 16. 16 2s are 32. E is 5. 5 2s are 10. S is 19. 19 2s are 38. T is 20. 20 2s are 40. 40 plus 10, that is 50. 50 plus 38 is 88. 88 plus 2, that is 90. This is 120. So best answer is 120. Are you understanding, students, everybody? Now, let's try to have a look, everybody. Now, if the problem here is what? A. This was an Infosys question. A is 1. D is 4, but he has given 17, means 1 square plus 2 square. 1 square is 4 square, 16. 1 plus 16 is 17. So this kind of logic will be given to you. This kind of model is said to be a ranking model. Look at that. E is 5. 5 square, that is 25. 2 square, that is 4. That add, you will get 29. Same fashion, our answer is C. C is 3. 3 square. I is 9. 9 square is 81. Okay, so 9 plus 81 is what? Nothing but 90. So the best answer is C. So students, let me tell you that this is the way we are supposed to do it. What model we call it as? We call it as ranking model. Are you understanding, everybody? We call it as ranking model. Clear? Now, this is what is the This is what we are supposed to do it. When you have the same letters, we call it as arrangement. When we have a different letters, we call it as shifting. And when we have a left hand side, right hand side, we call it as comparison. And sometimes we're going to do ranking. So this is the way we are supposed to do it. Okay, students, I believe you all people have understood this. Okay, so I'll be uploading this video for you, and you just try to stay connected for tomorrow's class. Tomorrow is a one more class. Tomorrow is a one more new class for you, and the class name is Direction Sense, probably. Okay, chalo. Thank you very much.